Hi friend, my name is Suleiman Ghatkai. So today we will do analysis for Bank Nifty, and this is an educational video just for getting knowledge. You have to do analysis from your side also. Now we will zoom in the chart. So my friend, first we will plot demand zone and supply zone. By from here we can use rectangle. So from wherever the price has sharply moved lower, round figure 24,000 area, here from the small candle high and low, we will plot this supply red supply zone. Why I have plot this supply zone, my friend? Because here market move lower, then again this green candle has come, then again market has moved down. So here there is more selling pressure, more sellers are there. So that's why I have been plotted, and this supply zone is of continuation pattern, drop, base, drop. So my friend, now we will plot demand zone. Same, we will from here we will take rectangle, and where the price has started moving higher, the follow through candle, this small doji candle, I will zoom in and show you all these small doji candle, all this small doji candle where the price has been started moving higher. From this small basing candle, small body candle, we will plot a zone by selecting rectangle. From the small body candle high and low, this will be our demand zone. So we will give green color to our demand zone. So buyers are there at 18,250, sellers are there at around 23,500. So we have got our seller area and buyer area. Now we will plot on the lower time frame, where is on the 1 hour, where is the resistance point and where is the support. So my friend, again you have to take horizontal line from where the market price started moving down sharply in this session. This is our nearby resistance. We will give resistance red color, and today, yesterday trading day low, on the low side we will keep our support line. We will give our support line green color. So now friend, whenever market will break down in the coming session, market will go down from 19,583. You can see market moving lower to this support. This support is around 18,800. We will mark this support 18,800. So my friend, on the lower time frame, I will show you which our execution time frame will be 15 minutes. So now we will move to 15 minutes. On the 15-minute time frame, we will zoom out first so you will understand. So my friend, all these areas above the chart is the seller area, and our buyers are at here. as we can see here, market gaps is also there. So whenever 19,583 nearby support will price will break this support, and whenever the market price will come to 19,200, this gap will be filled of the 15-minute gap. So my friend, for the coming trading days, for the coming trading session, as we can see from higher, market is in a downtrend, selling pressure. Even market will open higher till 20,400, this selling area. We will plot this nearby resistance also 20,400. Even if the price, we will give red color our resistance. So my friend, above the current market price, now current market price 19,926.50. So above the current market price, our nearby selling pressure area is 20,405 here and 20,745 here. If the above gap will market will fill, then also if market will open higher, and again if the market will move higher, we will not plan for buy, we will plan for sell, because our buying areas are here. It will cover the gap. We are interested to buy at 18,800 or 18,400, where the market has done all the accumulation. So my friend, for the coming trading trading days, trading session, we will keep eye on 18,400 as our buying pressure area. And we will, why I'm telling you that it is an buying pressure area, because market at 18,400, there is a follow through buying candles are there. It means that whenever the market will move down, these buyers will take market higher again. So my friend, even after you see the selling in the bank nifty, please my friend, always go for buy limit at this area where the accumulation has been happened on the bottom of the chart. After seeing the selling also, you have to identify from the previous chart pattern as per the technical analysis where the buyers are there. So my friend, at 18,000, at 18,000 and 18,400, plan for buy, and market selling pressure will be there because market is in a downtrend on the lower time frame. If the market will move higher also, we will plan for short sell around 20,745, 20,405. At all this area also we will go for short sell, we will not buy. Our buying area is at 18,400 and 18,000. So my friend, this is our analysis for the market. This is for the educational purpose. We are not providing you any tip service. This is pure education purpose. If you want any assistance, you can definitely comment, and you can email me. I will mention in the description my email ID. And thanks for watching. Bye. Take care, guys.